Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Cool new exciting thing going on here. As you can see, we got a ZR6000 in front of us. This kit we're going to talk about today is our Stage 2 Exterminator Kit. It pertains to the C-TEC 600 models on the Arctic Cats, so 2014 and newer. We have a Stage 1 option, which is another video for that. Today, right now, I'm just talking about Stage 2, and we're excited to tell you guys this, but a 15.5 horsepower gain over stock with these parts that we've got in front of us. Runs on premium 91 octane fuel, and the thing's a rocket ship. Flat out rips, 100% trail safe, reliable. I personally have beat the living hell out of it, tried to wreck it myself multiple times. We've been working on it for well over a year, and the kits they flat out work. It's an awesome setup. So we'll go over what we got in the kit here today. We starts off with our stealth head mod. You know, you send in your stock head, we gut it out and machine it so that we can put our interchangeable head inserts in it. Looks stock once everything's done. Comes with our Hypershift Clutch Kit. Comes with primary, secondary spring, H5 alloy. One of our lightweight Boss helixes. Obviously on the cross-country models, clutching's a little bit different, but you get the idea. Our super cool Hypershift machined adjustable clutch weights. So that takes care of the clutching. Setup works really, really good. It's good for all-around trail riding, ditch banging, racing your buddies. It's just a good all-around setup. V-Force Reeds. This isn't just any V-Force reed that just comes off the shelf. This is a reed V-Force worked with us exclusively on to help develop this exact spec, and it's available only through us. Cold air, high flow intake up on the airbox and the plenum. With these FrogSkinz here, you just got to drill a couple holes, slap them on. Works pretty quick, slick, and easy. Then biggest part to the Stage 2 package is probably this pipe mod that we do. Not going to tell you exactly what we do, but you'll send in your stock pipe. We make a couple modifications to it, send it back to you. You're good to go. And then to top it off, all the programming, fuel, timing, all the other tricks, bells, whistles that we do is all done in the ECU. Tops that off, all said and done. Like I said, 15.5 horsepower gain over stock. Still runs on premium pump gas. The thing flat out rips. It's rocket ship.